Welcome to AI Control System Lab, your channel for learning industrial automation, PLC programming, and control systems step by step. In today's video, we're going to understand one of the most important concepts in industrial automation. What is a PLC? So let's get started. PLC stands for Programmable Logic Controller. It's basically an industrial computer used to control machines. Think of it as the brain of an automation system. It receives signals from sensors and push buttons, processes logic, and controls outputs like motors and pumps. A PLC mainly has four important parts: inputs, like sensors and push buttons; CPU, the brain that runs the program; outputs, like motors, lamps, and solenoids; and communication ports for connecting to HMIs and other systems. Let's take a simple example. Imagine a water tank system. A level sensor checks the water level. If the tank becomes empty, the PLC turns on the water pump automatically. When the tank becomes full, the PLC turns the pump off. That's automation. PLCs work in a continuous loop called a scan cycle. First, the PLC reads all inputs. Then it executes the program logic. Finally, it updates the outputs. And this process repeats thousands of times every second. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn PLC programming step by step, make sure to subscribe to AI Control System Lab. Don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and hit the bell icon so you never miss upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.